All right, here we go. This is an inequality, though, so we're going to have to do some testing on this one after we get the line graphed. And just so we remember on this one, the line that we do graph is going to be a dashed line because this doesn't have the equal part of the inequality. So it is greater than symbol, but it doesn't have the equal part underneath, so it's not a solid line. Dashed or dotted, however you want to do it. So now we'll go with the table on this one. I'll just keep with the table. And if you guys want something different, you have to tell me. So, 3 points should do it. Maybe I made that a little bigger than I needed to. And again, we're looking for equality on this one. So I got y equals 2x plus 2. And this one is written in slope-intercept form. So I'll just be replacing the x values on this. And yeah, I still like to choose these easy values like 0. Because anything times 0 is 0, so this one gives us pretty quickly y equals 2, which again is kind of the point of slope-intercept form. It tells us the slope and the y-intercept. So using a table, no problem though. Right there we got our first point. Next up, I choose an x value that's 1. So, we'll go back to the equation right there. Just replace the x with 1, and you can use your calculator to solve this. 2 times 1 plus 2 should give you 4, which is this ordered pair 1, 4. And again, you kind of see the pattern forming from the stair steps, and if you wanted to, you could continue using the stair steps if you'd like. Or, you can go back and just say, I'll use a negative. Well, it looks like negative 2 even fits on this. Just choosing, right? Choosing next value of negative 2. So I say instead of 1 right there, we got a negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 2 is, negative 2. So negative 2, which would have been this point in the stair steps, which then allows us to draw the graph on this. And remember, it does need to be dashed. So even though I'm going to start with a solid line because I'm doing it on my iPad, it's not too bad to make that dash right there. And I'll clean this up with the green line as well, just to kind of make it look real pretty. Mathematics really wants things to look pretty. I feel like there could be a Bob Ross reference in that. Because, there's not a lot of happy trees here, though. So now that we got our dashed line on this, going through 3 points, which confirms the pattern, now we just got to test a point. So, I'll use green to test a point. And just like we talked about in class, it's nice to test the origin if you can, because it gives you double zeros on that, which it just makes the math pretty easy. So let's find some space to test this on. Our original inequality, y is greater than 2x plus 2. And we're testing this for truthfulness. But right here, we're saying that y is 0 and x is 0, and we'll figure out if this actually is true. Well, if you do the math on this, you get 0 is greater than 2, which definitely is false. So at this point, 0, 0, which we found to be false, means that we're going to shade on the other side of this blue line right here. And that's pretty easy on the homework, but I don't have that luxury right here, so hopefully that's not too bad for you guys. Yeah, just shade the other side of that line.